video, we'll be looking at the while loop and some practice questions. So, while loop. Before starting, you should know what a loop is and why it's used. So, the two main type of loops we use in Python are the while loop and the for loop. The for loop will be covered in the next video, and the while loop will be covered right now. So, loops are used for repetition. So if you want to repeat something, you want to run something a certain number of times. So the syntax for the while loop is while this. So it's while, and then there's the condition in the brackets, and then what we have to do. So in loops, we take a one letter variable like I. So like I is equals to 1. What if I want to print the word hello 5 times? So here I will do while I is less than or equal to 5, I want to print hello. So now this will see that I is less than or equal to 5, it will print hello. Then we're gonna do I is equals to I plus 1. Sorry. Or like we learned in the previous video, we can just write I is plus equal to 1. So now it will print hello once, then I will be 2. We'll go back up there. Then it will see 2 is less than or equal to 5. Then it will print hello again. And we'll keep on doing it until we get to 5. We'll see 5 is less than or equal to 5 and it will print hello. Then 5 plus 1 is 6. Now 6 is not less than or equal to 5. So here the loop will stop. So see, it printed hello 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Now, what if we want to print counting like 1 to 10? So here our I is 1. While I is less than or equal to 10, we will simply print I. So first I is 1, it'll print 1. Then I will be 2. Then it'll print 2. And this will go on till 10. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is how while loop is basically used. So basically the while loop keeps on running until this condition is true, and as soon as this condition becomes false, it will stop. So let's try another. So right now we printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What if I want to print 10, 9, 8, 7? So here, as we're starting with 10, I will take I as 10, and I need it to go till 1. So I need I to be greater than 0. It cannot go till 0. If I wanted to go till 0, I will put greater than equal to 0. And now I will print I. But here I'm doing I plus equal to 1. So from 10 it will go to 11. I need it to decrease. So I will do I minus equals to 1. So now it will print 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you can adjust the loop according to your needs. So here we're just using it with conditions that I is greater than or less than a certain number. What if I want the loop to keep running until a specific number is entered? For example, what if I take, before that, let's do another practice question. What if I want to take 3 inputs from the user so here I'll take a number that is input, enter a number, and then I want to take the sum of all the 3 numbers the user has entered. So here I will take another variable, sum, and now the user has entered a number. You need to convert it into integer. Now I want to add it in sum. So here we'll do sum is equals to sum plus the number that the user is entering. So the user will enter the number, and then we will add that number in sum. So we will take a sum of all the numbers the user has entered. Now if I want to display that number, I will go outside the loop, that is outside here, outside this indented part, and I will print the sum is, and then sum. So if I'm doing 1, let's see, it asked me again 2 and 3. So the sum here should be 6. Oh, sorry, 4. Oh, my bad. See, here I forgot to do I plus equal to 1. So this here was an example of an infinity loop. That loop would never stop. It would keep on running because I is not changing. That was my mistake. So why is it giving it an error? Okay. So enter a number 1, 2, 3, and there we get the sum 6. 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. So that is how while loops work. Now what if I want the loop to keep running until the user enters a specific number? Like I will ask the user to keep on entering numbers, and I will keep on taking their sum until the user presses 0, and that's when the loop should stop. So to do that, I will do while. First I will add a variable number here, and I will initialize it with -1. -1 is a random number. So my condition is while number is not equal to 0. So as long as the number entered is not equal to 0, I will do number is equals to enter a number. Then we will take its sum, and then outside we will print the sum is sum. So if we run this, here we have enter a number. So first I'll enter 1, 2, 3, and then I enter 0. So now number is equal to 0. So I will stop because the condition is while number is not equal to 0. I can even enter 100 numbers if I want, if I don't press 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I press 0. So then it will give me the sum, which is 15. So that is how while loops work.